Garcia, and today I have the great honor of representing Scotland, one of the most fascinating destinations in Europe. Located in the north of the United Kingdom, Scotland is famous for its dramatic landscape, ancient castles, rich traditions, and warm hospitality. First, let me present you some of the top tourist destinations. One of Scotland's most iconic landmarks is Edinburgh Castle, located in the capital city of Edinburgh, built on top of an ancient volcanic rock. Next, Loch Ness. This is a deep and mysterious lake in the island, where visitors from all around the world come hoping to find the monster known as Nessie. Next, the Scottish Highlands. This is perfect for hiking, photography, and adventure tourism. The Isle of Skye. This is one of the most beautiful islands in Scotland. It's famous for its dramatic cliffs and natural scenery. And Glasgow. This is Scotland's largest city. And it's home to museums and buildings and historic buildings. Now let's move to culture and tradition. Scotland culture is diverse. The first is the skill. The traditional clothing made of colorful tartan patterns that represent different lands. And traditional Scottish music features the bagpipe, an instrument that creates a strong and unforgettable sound. Now let's continue with the gastronomy. Scottish cuisine is rich and full of flavors. The national dish is bagi, a traditional savory pudding usually served with mashed potatoes. And also you can enjoy the Scottish salmon, seafood, and shortbread cookies. In terms of festival and events, the most famous is Highland Games, where visitors can watch traditional sport, music, and dancing, and Edinburgh Festival Fringe. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.